Hi Kirby fans, so today we're checking out, are mattress protectors worth it? So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Now don't forget, everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Today's video we're going to be checking out a mattress protector. Now I did buy a mattress protector and I will put a link in the description below of which one I used. Now this bed hasn't been cleaned for 6 months. It's had a mattress protector on there and it has got like a plastic backing. What I want to see is whether any skin and debris actually gets through that into that mattress with that mattress protector, or whether it protects your mattress significantly. Now it's going to be a bit of a time lapse as well, so this mattress again hasn't been vacuumed in 6 months. It was fully cleaned before this protector was put on. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. So any Kirby can do this, and all you're going to do is convert it to the deep cleaning portable. Now the deep cleaning portable, as you know, can suck up to 13 inches deep. The CFM on your Kirby Vacuum is amazing. There's 2 tools you're going to need. So 1, you're going to need the portable handle, and 2, if your vacuum's pretty full, then obviously change it and put a brand new bag in. So what we'll do is get this converted, we'll jump in and have a look at the state of this bed. So now we've converted our Kirby to the deep cleaning portable, we're going to jump in and I'll explain the reasons why and what goes on in that bed. So the average person spends 26 years in bed, which is quite shocking, and we spend 7 years trying to get to sleep. So that's a total of 33 years we're spending in the pit in bed. As well as that, 60% of household dust is from outside, not skin as we're told. So joining us in that bed while we're shedding that skin on screen now, my friend Ralph. And Ralph is a dust mite. As well as 40% being our skin cells in the bed, we've got a lot of mite and dust feces, because when the mites eat our dead skin cells, they produce feces and poop it out. So they poop a lot. The average length of a dust mite is 0.3 millimeters, and 84% of households have detectable dust mites in the population. Do they eat human tissue? Yes, they do. The average human sheds around 1 million cells each day, and female dust mites lay up to 100 eggs in their lifetime. So the average mattress has got 100,000 dust mites in it. So today we're going to be vacuuming this mattress, and this is why you should vacuum your mattress at least once a month. I recommend Kirby because of the amount of agitation and depth that will suck out of your mattress. Now like I said before, the Kirby will suck up to 13 inches deep, so that's the whole depth of your mattress. With the bag you're going to suck up a lot more. This is purely so you can see what's coming out of this bed, and this bed hasn't been vacuumed for at least 6 months. So we'll dive in, get it set up, and then we'll see what we've got out of a bed that's been slept in by a 12-year-old for at least 6 months.
And up in the clouds, but I've always felt this something.
Well, so now we stripped our bed, we've got our Kirby set up. If you put it in drive, you've got to make sure that this leads out the way so you don't run over it. I'm going to take the bag off and use a dirt meter purely so you can see what's coming out of this bed. And Kirby recommend you leave the brush roll off. This is in an older mattress, this is the newer mattress, so I don't want it snagging on any of the material, so leave the brush roll off. You've got straight suction, it will work fine. So what you're going to do is whack it all the way down, and that is ready to rock and roll. So I'm just going to fit a dirt meter now, and then you can see what's coming out of this mattress.
heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
Right, now I've only pulled 5 pads, and we did have a mattress cover on here, so these mattress covers really do work. The last mattress I did, we didn't have a mattress cover on, or a mattress protector should I say. So that was the first pad. You can see there's a lot of dust, a bit of sand in there, obviously we live by the beach, a bit more, and they start to get lighter, there and there. So that's 6 months worth of dead skin, dust, that's been trapped in the mattress, even with a mattress protector. See why it's beneficial to vacuum your bed with the Kirby at the end of every month. When you're changing your sheets, it's an ideal time to do it. Now I did have a mattress protector on here. If I'd have vacuumed the mattress protector, that probably would have pulled a lot more out because there would have been a lot trapped in there. Now, so if you bought a mattress protector and you use one on your bed, you're obviously going to reduce the amount of this that goes in there, but you still need to vacuum your mattress at least once a month to get the rest out. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Now don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so as you can see from those pads, that Avalir 2 pulled out quite a bit from that mattress, which was quite surprising considering it had a protector on it. Now it did reduce, I'd say quite a lot. I'd expect a lot more skin and dust and debris coming out of that in 6 months use. So I'd say they're well worth it. There will be a link in the description below of what mattress protector I used, and I'd say definitely vacuum your bed at least once a month or when you change your sheets. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.